Adding a redirection profile to your device is a powerful tool for multi-platform phones and ATAs. We'll show you how to add these profiles in this edition of Tech Talks. Next. First, we'll start by logging into the EDOS Home portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile Management section. In this section of the portal, you will see the list of all the redirection profiles that you have created so far. If this is your first time, scroll down and click on the Add Profile button. In the Create New Mapping window, you can first select the product for which you are trying to add a redirection profile. This drop-down menu lists various IP phones and ATAs for which you can add redirection profiles. We'll pick one, then click Create a New Profile. We'll enter a profile name, then click Browse to browse your computer for the profile. Here, you can see the content of one of the redirection profiles. This profile is one example that works with 6800, 7800, and 8800 series of multi-platform phones. At the minimum, you need to set a profile rule. This contains the URL to your provisioning cell rod. It can also be a BroadWorks DMS URL. Once you select your file, click Add Mapping to confirm. Once it is added, you'll be able to see your profile by clicking on it. You should be able to see its content as well. From this screen, you can also download this redirection profile. You're all set! You've officially added a redirection profile to your multi-platform phone. Thanks for watching Tech Talks from Cisco. We'll see you next time.